What's up, YouTube? So today I got a new unboxing for you guys, and it is a pair of Puma King Indoor collab with Kidsuper Studios. There's been many collab between Puma and Kid Studios with all the Puma football for the club FIFA World Cup. So they're doing collab with the Puma soccer cleats and also Puma soccer jersey. So, but let's focus on this one. So this is the King Indoor cleats or sneakers. So this is the box itself with. So I'm a normal size 10. So you the box. So I bought this from Nordstrom, and there's like a sticker from Kid Studio. It says a real company built on unreal ideas. And I was fortunate to get a pair. So the tissue itself featured the Puma logo and the Kidsuper Studios branding. So inside, let's take the sneakers out. Box away. Here you go, guys. This is a pair of Puma King Indoor sneakers. So it comes with an extra gray laces that Puma gives us. And then here comes the sneakers, or the cleats, the indoor cleats, whatever you want to call it. So it features a suede upper with a Puma like signature like pattern right here with the King logo, with blue. This is all blue. I'll say dark out. Let's see what it says. The colorway is dark blue, gray fog, and this is the only collab with Kid Studio on this model. So you got all the suede upper, blue lacing system laces. So you got a gum outsole with blue and fog gray. There's kind of, you can see like there's an eye right here, so Puma logo. So I think you can wear this on a normal outfit or with playing soccer indoor. And on the heel tab you get a Puma logo, and then the Puma King Indoor features a folded tongue on top. You can see there's like an eye over here with a Puma logo and King branding beneath this upper. And when you unfold this, it has the Puma logo. So the let me show you the insole. So the insole, it features this blue insole with Puma logo and Kidsuper Studios branding. I tried it and it fits very comfortable. They're very comfortable, to be honest. A little bit squeeze on the toe box, but I'm fine with that. I would recommend going through the size on this. And this is the other pair. I like the combination. The blue is very nice. The suede is nice too, with fog gray. Goes very well together. So I like this collab. Oh, the other pair they had the same outsole, gummy outsole with the nose, the eyes, the eyebrow, and also the Kidsuper Studios branding. So when you combine that, it's kind of like a faced, and yeah, pretty nice. I would switch out the laces to the gray one on one pair, on one shoe, then try to tuck the folded tongue inside. But let's see. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and support my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you guys. Peace.